Unlock seamless money movement by linking your bank account to Wise in just a few minutes. To begin, open your Wise app and navigate to the Home tab then. Look for the prominent Add Money button and tap it. Once you've tapped Add Money, you'll see options like Send Money and Receive Money. Select Receive Money to proceed with linking your bank details. Now, choose the currency you want to receive money in for this tutorial. We'll assume you're setting up for US dollars, USD. On this screen, you'll be presented with options to get your local bank details. Tap on Get Account Details. Wise will then ask what you're using these details for. Select the option that best describes your situation, such as, for myself. Here's where you'll enter your bank information. You'll need to provide your US routing number and your bank account number. These are crucial for Wise to connect with your bank securely. Carefully type in your routing number. Double-check for accuracy to avoid any issues with your transfers. Next, enter your bank account number in the designated field. Again, accuracy is key. After entering both numbers, Wise might ask you to confirm your bank details for security. Review everything one last time. Tap Confirm Details. To finalize the process, your bank account is now linked and ready for swift deposits and withdrawals through Wise. You've successfully added your bank account to Wise. Enjoy the convenience of easy international money transfers.